Hey guys, how we doing today? Agenda video for day 2. It is April 1st, first day of April. Hope everyone's doing great. I did post something yesterday to make sure that everyone is watching the agenda videos every day, so that way you understand what's going on. And you look at the extended closure schedule to know how to go through everything, okay? Because some of you are a little bit confused. So if we go into classwork, remember day 1 through 10 assignments are due. Make sure you get those in. So we're going to go to our extended closure. We're going to look at day 2, April 1st, day 2. So first thing we need to do today is our do now. So make sure you do that do now. And you have a article, a News ALA article. Super easy day. All right, so we're going to go back to our do nows. Click on. And your do now today is what is the land that is good for farming called? So you're going to go back into our reading from yesterday if you don't remember. So just how you're going to fill this in. So you're going to say the land that is good for farming is called blank. All right, make sure you fill in that blank. That's how we're going to do our do now for today. Okay, remember when you're explaining an answer to a question, you're always supposed to restate the question. All right, so what is the land that is good for farming called? The land that is good for farming is called blank. All right, just try and work on that. That's good literacy technique, especially for state testing and things like that. Okay, so we did our do now. I'm going to do one separate video for the reading of the Babylonian Empire. That is what our News ELA article is on today. Remember to make sure you are handing everything in. It is open until the 19th of April. However, getting it in, getting it done, okay, so that way I can get it on Power School. It's always a plus. All right, make sure you're doing all your schoolwork. Make sure you're being nice to your parents and everybody at home. And I will see you guys later. Bye.